Hello, grade 8 learners! I'm Miss Rose and welcome to my English class. Today, you're going to learn about Deixis. Get your notebooks and let's begin. Class, I received a very confusing message. It says, "Meet me here tomorrow. Bring that with you."
What?
Wait. Where is here? When is tomorrow? And what exactly is that? And who is me? Confusing, right? Well, these words are examples of something called deixis. Today, we are going to discover how deixis helps us understand who is speaking, when they are speaking, where they are speaking, and what situation they are talking about. Deixis refers to a word or phrase whose meaning shifts depending on the context, such as who is speaking, where they are, or when they say it. Examples include words like I, here, now, or this. Let's start with the easiest one. I am your teacher. Who do you think does I refer to? You're right. But what happens if another teacher says the exact same sentence?
I am your teacher.
Now I refers to a different person. So what does this tell us? The meaning of I depends on the person who is speaking. Words such as I, me, you, we, and they can point to different people depending on the speaker and the situation. This is called person deixis. Person deixis refers to words that identify the people involved in a conversation. Their meaning depends on who is speaking, who is being spoken to, and who is being talked about. Now, let's talk about time. Suppose I say, I will see you tomorrow. If I say this on Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. But if I say this on Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. The word tomorrow changes its meaning depending on when I say it. The same thing happens with words like today, yesterday, now, later, soon, and next week. These words depend on the time of speaking. This is called time or temporal deixis. So remember, person deixis asks who, and temporal deixis asks when. If I say put your notebook here, you need to know where I am pointing. But if I walk over there and say, put your notebook here, suddenly here refers to a different place. That's because the meaning depends on the speaker's location. This is called place or spatial deixis. Place or spatial deixis refers to words that point to a place or location based on where the speaker is. Other examples are inside, outside, nearby, far away, come and go. Place or spatial deixis asks where. Now take a look at this picture. As you can see, I am holding a book. And I say, this is amazing. Here, I am holding a smelly sock. And I say, this is terrible. So this just means that the word this can refer to different things depending on the situation. And this is called situation or discourse deixis. Situation or discourse deixis refers to words that point to something being talked about or happening in the conversation or situation. It uses words to point to something that has been mentioned or is being discussed in the conversation. What if we don't know what the speaker is referring to? Imagine I say, this is amazing. This can cause confusion because some words depend their meanings on the situation. Now, let's go back to our mysterious message. Meet me here tomorrow. Bring that with you. Can we understand it without knowing the context? Not completely. We need to know who the speaker is, where the speaker is, when the message was sent, and what that refers to. Deixis is like a pointing finger. It points us toward a person, a place, a time, or something in the situation. So whenever you see words like I, you, here, there, yesterday, today, tomorrow, this or that, ask yourself. That's your Deixis check.